Misty.
I'm gonna have to go have something done to my hair. I'm gonna go get me another one.
What made you go to the doctor?
Well, I had the appointment for about a month. Plus, it's been knocking. I gotta go back in a minute. The 11th, I have to go out to LBJ for a mailing trim. And then, well, 2 weeks before I go back, he wants me to have ultrasound done.
The said yes, that's the one down there.
Marlon, you ain't gonna look at me?
No. Oh, look at you, Pop.
Why?
That's my puppy home with me.
Trixie.
Hello, boy. You gonna fight?
Don't you do that over here. Let me see that thing.
Smile is.
We done got Vicky.
Hey, Mark.
Mark.
What's that Vicky been doing?
Huh?
What's Vicky been doing?
Nothing.
She been having no that thing.
Hey, son. Back up.
What?
Back up.
Come here, Trixie.
What are you doing? What about?
Move, Jimmy. Tom, buddy, will you move, please?
What are you trying to do?
I want you to look over there on the heater for me.
Nike. Y'all got them out?